Happy morning, friends. Hope we are all doing good. Today we saw a big gap down in Bank Nifty and Nifty, and then there was attempt of low which was made, which was almost 36,570, and closed a little higher, which sounded a relief for the long-term investors. What we are expecting for tomorrow, as per the charts and the data, what we see that is hopefully by this expiry we should see some relief rally up to 37,800 levels. So that doesn't mean you should take a 37,800 call, because tomorrow is going to be a very volatile day. There is a chance that we may have an open gap up, and then or even a gap down as well. And then a nice move towards 37,200 to 300. One need to be cautious tomorrow, because the markets maybe towards 1 or 2, there can be a big dump of or a big move downwards. So it's going to be a highly volatile day. Trade with caution, Nifty and Bank Nifty. And hopefully we may see some relief in the IT stocks. What we are looking at Nifty is that there might be a small dip of at towards 17,190 levels, and then we may close higher at 17,330 close to. So if you're an option trader, we may look at buying a 17,400 call monthly, or maybe 300 on dips, and see some nice up move. Having said that, I would like to bring attention to a couple of stocks which I feel is looking good. I had mentioned earlier also to buy Titan on dips, and for a target of 2,800, and last week has been a very good opportunity for us to add at 2,400 levels. It is having a good nice trend line support over here, and the trend is looking upwards. If you look at the pattern, also let's see, I'm not very good at this, but however, let me give it an attempt. So this can be done in various ways. Anyway, so what are we looking at HDFC Bank? HDFC Bank has been moving very strongly with the result of merger. It moved towards 1700 levels, and then now we see 1390 levels. We may still look at HDFC Bank going towards 1300 levels, and we suggest you add in huge now at this prices somewhere at 1290, 1300, and our target for the next 1 year in HDFC will be around 2000. The next five months or so, or maybe even within 3 months or so, we will definitely see 1700 watts being tested. HDFCLIFE we are still holding, and in fact today we had an intraday on this counter, and almost nice up move on this. Tomorrow as well we may see some we may see it heading towards 620, 610 levels. Another stock which we want to bring your attention to is Hindalco. There seems to be there is a high chance that it may hit towards 500 levels. However, tomorrow, if it is able to sustain above 550, 560, we may see a retracement towards 575, 580. We also would like to Tata Steel seems to be looking good. One will look to buy about 1340, 350 for a target of 1370. TataMotors would be a good bet for the next few weeks. If TataMotors is able to sustain about 425 levels above, we may see some rally towards 460 levels. Having said that, we may even look to buy Tata Motors from a very long-term perspective of with a target of 560, 580 levels in the maybe 6 months from now. Be bullish on Gujarat State Petrol. Maybe you can start accumulating at these prices, as we see 320 to 340 coming in the next 4 to 5 months. If you see, it has been moving up substantially. There seems to be a strong support at 250 levels as well. So we may see an all-time high of 440 also in this counter. Maybe maybe 6 months to a year from now. All all power stocks, Adani Power and all that moved up. However, we're slightly bearish on Tata Power, and we are expecting it to move towards 240 once before going towards maybe 400 levels. So just a recap, we would wish our friends to be cautious in trading Nifty and Bank Index, Nifty and Bank Nifty. There might be some big moves, and there might be some strong up moves, and then a small dip couple of times. So trade with caution, and market is still weak. However, we may see some relief rally. We also want to update you that India VIX is pretty high, so the premiums can, it's moving higher. The premiums can be increased. So maybe there is a chance that the writers can utilize this opportunity and the premiums go higher. So trade with a strong stop loss, be confident, doesn't just maintain your position sizing. Good luck for now, and happy profiting today.